The Mavic 4 Pro is an amazing drone. Mine is a little different because today we're gonna find out how much weight this drone can actually lift. Let's crack into it. This is gonna be interesting because there's not really a good mounting point on this drone. There's all these sensors under it. You got the trusty old zip ties. Okay. That's one. Trim this up. I think we're ready for some heavy lifting. First up, we got the Milano cookies, 230 grams. Let's go.
This is so sketch.
What do you guys think? Lift or no?
For a second.
Who wants some cookies? I'll take those cookies. Who wants to grab them? Who wants cookies? Yeah. All right. This item, some Tascam headphones, 269 grams. What do you think? Lift or no?
Lift.
We got our fish hook here and a medium-sized fish.
Ooh.
Somebody order some headphones? I'll take those. Wow.
Maybe.
All right, headphones work. Bike helmet, 400 grams. What do we think, lift or no?
Lift.
Lift.
Oh, shoot.
Who needs a helmet? The jackhammer massage gun, 430 grams. I have no idea how to tie this to it. Lift or no?
Lift.
Lift!
It's good, yeah. It's good.
My dirty shoes, 648 grams. Let's go. Lift or no?
Lift.
Whoa! You need a pair of pants in those. Whoa! All right, your shoes are a big success. Bucket, 1.66 pounds. In grams, that's like a lot of grams. It's super stable. I feel like the hook's about to come right off. Oh, come on, hook. Oh! Does somebody need a bucket? Goodbye, bucket. Wait, it won't come down. Next, we've got this Park Tool wrench, 1.69 pounds. I don't know how many grams that is, but it's a lot. Lift? Mark, lift or no?
Lift.
I think this is pushing the limits. Now we've got this mountain bike tire, 2.16 pounds, 900 and something grams. Will it lift? Now we've got my dirty work boots, 1,193 grams or 2.6 pounds. Lift or not? Come on. 2.6 pounds, baby! It is really struggling. Wow. Come on. Whoa. All right, we moved to a less windy location. It was getting a little sketchy with high weights, and we maxed out the shoes. We thought no way it could lift them. Now we have a super scientific test rig to get the actual max weight. Let's go. Special thanks to our sponsor, buymavic4.com. If you're in the US, can't get one of these drones yet, you can get one there. It's awesome.
Oh.
Okay, right here. Okay, more water, more water. What could go wrong? Oh shit, it's getting heavy. Oh my God, it's still going. More water, go get more water. Holy shit, this is more than we ever thought it could lift. This thing is screaming. Down, okay, stop. That's it. Wow. Oh my God. In grams first. What have we got? Oh my God. 1,801 grams, plus the string and zip ties, which we'll call 10 grams. That's 3.968 pounds, almost double the weight of the Mavic 4 Pro. So that's it, 3.9 pounds. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and comment for more crazy drone tests. We'll see you in the next one.